Can we build our arm strength through yoga? The answer is yes. Strengthening the arm muscles can go a long way when it comes to making it easier to tote around luggage, throw a football or swing a tennis racket, as well as promoting long-term bone health. Hi guys, in today's Yoga for the Soul, let's learn 3 poses that will tone your arms and strengthen your upper body. These 3 arm strengthening poses will help you get back to your prime and strengthen your upper half. Remember, these poses are meant to gradually build your strength. In practice and time, you will notice a difference. Coming to the first pose, which is Cobra Pose or Bhujangasana. Start by lying on your belly with your palms next to your chest. Spread your fingers and your elbows should be pointing up. The forehead or the chin should be on the floor. Make sure to inhale and exhale through the nose. Inhale, gently roll back your shoulders and lift your chest off the ground with the support of your hands. Stay in this position for 15 to 30 seconds, depending on your comfort level. Breathe out as you drop your chest back on the mat to lay flat. Relax in this position while taking a few deep breaths. Repeat this at least 5 times, relaxing for 10 seconds between each round. The Cobra Pose energizes the body by improving blood circulation and reducing stress levels. Moving on to the next pose, which is four-limbed staff pose or Chaturanga Dandasana. From plank pose, align your shoulders slightly ahead of your wrists and come onto the balls of your feet. Now, push back through your heels to engage your quadriceps, creating a straight, taut line of energy from the crown of your head through your feet. Pull your lower body up and in, and on an exhalation, bend your elbows and slowly lower your body, keeping it as straight as a plank of wood until your elbows are at around 90 degrees. Keep your elbows directly over your wrists and drawn in against your sides. Press your hands firmly into the floor. Bring your gaze to the floor about 6 inches in front of you. To come out of the pose, exhale and lower down to your belly. Some benefits of doing four-limbed staff pose or Chaturanga Dandasana are: it boosts energy, fights fatigue, and builds confidence and empowerment. The last pose is fish pose or Matsyasana. Lie with your back on the mat. Slightly lift your hips and slide your hands below and rest your hips on your hands. Now, press your forearms and elbows against the floor to lift your upper torso and head. Your knees can be slightly bent or extend your legs ahead as per your comfort. Press your head towards your back, placing the crown of the head on the floor. There should be no strain on the neck. You may choose to use a block or cushion under your head for support. Keep this position for 20 to 30 seconds and maintain smooth breathing. Some benefits of Matsyasana are: this pose is beneficial for maintaining healthy skin as it impacts the thyroid and pituitary glands. Make sure to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Also, do let us know if you have ever tried yoga poses to strengthen your arms. If so, which is your favorite one? Before going, let's do a quick recap of asanas to help strengthen your arms. The yoga poses we spoke about today will help you build your upper body strength, build strong muscles, and it also boosts energy. Do share your thoughts on this with us and keep watching the space for more such content.